Hi, my name is Jen Duke, and I am really excited to meet all of you and find out more about your experiences regarding our course on supervision and evaluation of school personnel. I'm currently an instructional design coach in a middle school. Before that, I taught first grade for 12 years and sixth grade English language arts for 3. I also work with middle school English curriculum as a district content coordinator. I'm down to my last 2 classes. I'm taking this class in educational research, and then hopefully I'll be graduating and getting ready to apply for administrative jobs. So why I want to be a principal is that I want to have the opportunity to reach more kids. Instead of just the kids that would be in my class if I was a teacher, I think as a principal, you are leading adults, and then those adults are helping lead kids, and that means that I have a broader reach out into the community, and that's why I want to be a principal. Personally, my experiences with supervisory duties, when I was a first grade teacher, I spent a lot of time on the playground and supervising there, and car duty, bus duty, things like that for many years. In sixth grade, we spent a lot of time focusing on in-between class supervision, because those transition times were when things would happen with our kids. So I learned kind of a lot about the difference in supervision at the middle school level. As far as evaluations go, I was in the classroom for 16 years or 15 years, so I was evaluated several times in many different ways. Sometimes, one of my principals would really focus on the instruction and the curriculum, and another principal that I was working under focused on a lot on behavior and the whole child, and so I was able to get a lot of different types of feedback over the course of my evaluations, a lot of it based on what the principal felt was important to focus on. Luckily, I always received feedback, sometimes not as much as I would like, so I think in the future as an aspiring principal, I really want to make sure that I take the time to give feedback to teachers when they're asking for it, when they need it, when they want it. And in order to do that, you just have to, really build those relationships and that trust between the administrator and the staff member. So I'm really excited to begin the course, and it's nice to meet you all and learn from you soon.